for research. Everybody please repeat after me. Por favor, tome un asiento en la silla. Por favor, tome un asiento en la silla. Yeah, guys, okay. All right, let's just try that again. Por favor, tome un asiento en la silla. And
I feel like you're going about this all wrong.
all ears.
What are you doing? Visual stimulation.
That was impulsion.
What happened?
Sulfuric acid stored without a permit. Work put fear into it and chemical spill.
Sounds like complete negligence on the part of the warehouse manager.
Didn't make it. I looked at the guy operating the forklift.
Damn. What happened to the company?
Their binder suit never got called to testify. This was a fire that started in an apartment building over in Grant Place. One of the tenants was using a propane grill to keep warm. Landlord wasn't providing heat.
Textbook slumlord.
One good thing came from it. Keep Bowden met his wife on that call.
You mean all I have to do is fire up the grill in the middle of my living room and my days as a single woman are over? This is all great, really. I don't want to take up more of your time at the firehouse, though. Could we maybe meet up for dinner, discuss some of these further? Next week.
Okay. I don't get out of here until tomorrow.
Oh, no problem. Give me a chance to do some research. I'm sorry, my tenacity doesn't have an off switch. Hazard of the job.
No, not it. It's it.
What?
You remind me of someone new. She was pretty tenacious too. It's an admirable quality.
So I'll text you at the restaurant?
Sounds good.
So then. What are you doing? Have you ever made those kind of tissues? You know, where you crunch up the top like a head and you wrap a rubber band around the neck?
No.
So wondering if we could do it with guys too. We can cover this whole place with foam.
That sounds terrible.
So, what is your connection to Chatham Sheffield? Kyle? He was at the hospital when I was a resident. Just an awesome guy all around. Helpful, caring. You guys had kind of a moment when I introduced you. What? No. Yeah.
Okay, Foster, I was not flirting. I mean, he's a chaplain.
Oh, he's not a priest. You know, you two would actually be great together. You should go.
Oh, no. No, I can't do that. No, I'm not.
Come on, Brad. When's the last time you went on a date?
All right, when at mealtime?
What do you mean, hi? She's a 5-year-old girl. What type of candy is she?
I don't know. Regular stuff, gummy bears, M&Ms, the kind her neighbors have given out for years. Somebody gave her something else.
She must have gotten into my stash.
What?
I had a bag of edibles. She must
Are
have.
you insane?
I didn't think she was.
Where is it?
Jesus, she had almost half of it.
Are you serious? She's seizing it. Drop 1 milligram per second. Drawing 1 milligram per second. Hold her tight. Let's get her in. No, I'll go to the house.
Hey! Hey, we're watching a game here. I thought we'd try something new for our Spanish lesson. I thought that was clear. I ain't learning Spanish. Really? Hold on a second.